So how do you use iCloud storage instead of the iPhone storage? Let's explain that, but if you are new on this channel, make sure you subscribe to Foxtecc and you're not going to miss anything important. So there are more areas where we need to take a look at. For example, we can open up the Files application, and in the left panel, we have the locations. And in there, you should be able to see the iCloud storage alongside the On My iPhone storage. The On My iPhone naturally represents the local storage, so if you want to start using iCloud instead of iPhone, it would be the best to just simply move stuff from the local storage to the iCloud. This also depends on the amount of storage you have available, because if you go to your settings and tap on your name at the top, you can go to iCloud and check out your storage situation. And by default, we all get 5 gigabytes of iCloud storage for free, but you can purchase more, but it's a monthly subscription, so you can go for that option. And as we are already in here, you can start using iCloud storage for a bunch of different things. So you can back up your photos in there. You can essentially sync all of your Apple apps, like the notes or, health messages and all of that kind of stuff can be backed up to your iCloud. So it can really be used for a lot of things. It's just up to you to figure out how you want to use it and how you want to set it up. So yeah, and one last thing I want to show you is when you go to the bottom of your settings to the apps section and there check out the Safari settings page, you also get to pick the downloads location for the files you download from the internet. So in there, you can just literally select that. And by default, you have the ability to pick the iCloud storage or On My iPhone, which is the logo, right? So if we want to use the iCloud, you can also choose the default downloads to go to your iCloud directly. So these are all of the things I wanted to share with you. If you have some additional thoughts or things you want to share with us, go ahead and leave your comment below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you later in the future tutorials.